The 2015 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: side airbag, power windows, cargo area light, remote keyless entry, traction control system, map lights, cloth upholstery, halogen headlamps, 4-piece floor mat set. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.